I'm Ian Hecox, a mediocre comedian and a terrible cook. I'm off to learn from the best kind of teacher there is, Nanas. Today I'm cooking with Judy, and Nana's serving up a slice of her classic American dish. Judy!
Hi, Ian.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
So nice to meet you. This is Sunday at Nana's. What are we making today?
We're making a secret.
Oh, okay.
It's a cran-apple pie.
Okay, well now they all know.
Yeah, but they're nice guys. That's okay.
All right,
And we're good. So I've been making cran-apple pie for probably 50 years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So this came from a recipe book. Do you keep a book of recipes yourself, or?
Well, let me show you. You see this? It's
Okay.
favorite recipes.
Ah.
I put this together as a Thanksgiving gift for my children and grandchildren.
Oh, okay. Just so you know, I've never done anything this thoughtful for anybody, so that's amazing. Well, I'm seeing what I'm assuming is everything that we need to make the pie.
Yes.
Okay.
You want me to go through and get you started?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, this is 2 cups of sugar.
Oh yeah, sugar.
Okay.
That.
But
Okay.
now let me trade places with you.
Okay.
And you put them in. We put in a 1/3 cup of flour.
1/3 cup of flour.
Yeah,
That's
just
this
dump it
guy
all
right
in.
here.
Mhm.
Just
1/2 teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of cinnamon. You know which one that is.
The brown stuff.
The brown one. And the only thing left is minute tapioca. And we put that in for a filler.
What is it?
The tapioca. The
This is
little white
tapioca?
bits. Yes.
All right, well, dump that in there.
Yeah. Now the whisk. You want to whisk it?
I would love to whisk it.
All right, you're the whisker. This is fun. I don't have somebody to do it for me all the time.
Yeah, I know.
Would you come back whenever I make pies?
I would love to. I need a workout, so this is great.
Now we've got the pan. You want to use glass.
Okay.
Take that off gently. Now the first one I'm going to do, and I'm going to let you do the next one.
Okay, great.
Okay. You turn it over on one hand, but you lay it on the pie plate. You kind of loosen it and push it down. I'll let you try to do that.
Sure. So just kind of.
You're a natural. I'm impressed.
Maybe I was a pie maker in my previous life.
Another little trick. You take it away gently.
Feels like I'm unwrapping a birthday present. But this is much more tasty.
And now we're going to do the apples. And this is going to be your best friend. And it's called an apple slicer core peeler.
Does everything.
And it does.
Oh.
See? Isn't that cool?
Wow.
And it's slicing them all at the same time.
Oh, wait, it sliced it too?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Whoa.
There, see? Isn't that cool? Look at
That is awesome.
So go ahead, I'm going to let you do it. The
Great.
next one.
Unlock that, take it back,
You're
right?
a good student. You remembered exactly.
So stab it right through there.
And then is it? Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Now for the fun part.
Yeah.
This blows my mind.
Isn't that cool?
It's so cool. Wow. No seeds, baby.
And now what we're going to do is get some cranberries and drop them in there.
Scatter about.
Yep.
Don't want to deprive anyone of cranberries in their slice.
Now, you're going to use basically half of the filler. And your goal is to kind of just fill it in.
So what exactly does this do?
The reason that we do the tapioca is so that it's not so completely liquid.
Nothing wrong with a little sugar.
Nope. Right. That's good enough. All right, now the butter. No, we want cold butter next time. Remember that. Put that on the recipe.
Cold butter.
Back to the apples.
Oh, putting more apples on?
Yep. Now a second layer exactly like that one. That wouldn't be enough.
Just drop it on?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly the same. You make the second layer. Now, you want to do that? Just take all the rest of the cranberries. You have to go a little slower. They roll on the floor.
Right.
All right.
All right, how does that look?
Beautiful. Okay, put the rest of the filling. You can just dump that if you want.
Okay.
And then the butter.
Butter, same amount,
Yep,
like that
just
much?
on the top. Yeah, that's plenty.
It's definitely higher than the pie tin.
Yes, definitely.
This is gonna be a very large pie. So,
there you go.
2 hands underneath, and then 1 hand like that.
Perfect. Oh, you're a good student.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. All right.
Voila.
Now, as you can see,
Oh, get back in there.
what we're doing is just pinching
The
them
bottom crust and
together.
the top crust?
Yeah.
Ah.
And don't worry about what it looks like. What you're doing is trying to seal it.
So reach under, pinch those bad boys
Perfect.
together.
Yeah. You're doing great for the first time.
Thank you.
Really?
I'm trying really hard to impress you.
Pies are scary if you don't know what you're doing, but
Everything is scary in my life.
I doubt that. Now, in order to vent it,
Okay.
you just do a lot of these.
Okay. Do
Just
you
let
ever
them know.
imagine the pie as somebody you really dislike?
I'm not going to admit that. I won't answer that. Now, take the sugar bowl and then just kind of scatter the sugar on the top of the crust. Yep, it's fun. If I had to make pies with you helping me every time, I'd make a lot more.
Well, it's not the prettiest pie ever,
It's plenty.
but that's what we got.
All right.
That's what we got right there.
There we go. Another little tip, they cook better if you use the lowest rack
Okay.
and you put it on a cookie sheet. And the reason you want it on the lowest rack is so that the bottom crust cooks as well.
All right.
So put him on the bottom on that little tray. Watch your hands, it's hot.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, then in about an hour, you guys are gonna see some real delicious pie. Might be a little ugly, but that's my fault. All right, so we have your beautiful pie here. I am very excited for
Let's
this.
see what you think of it.
The moment of truth. Judy, come on.
Do you
This
like
is
it?
so good. This is
Really?
so good.
Good.
I have to be honest with you. I'm never usually a fan of cranberries, and I wasn't going to tell you that before, but I love it in this. I think it makes so much sense. If I could do it, you guys can too. So enjoy.
And thank you for coming. Bye-bye.
Thank you.